Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can include the low quality content on Facebook feed. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your device. Please log into your account if you haven't already. Next, select the menu. After that, tap on Settings and then select Newsfeed. Here, tap on the Reduce button and then select Low Quality Content. Next, you can find Don't Reduce button. Tap on it and then select OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.